Well, hello there, everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking today, guys. And I am so excited because I am making Japanese pancakes. Now, these pancakes are new to me. I've been seeing them all over the internet, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube. They were the fluffiest pancakes I had ever seen. So, of course, I had to give them a try. And let me just tell you, they are delicious. I'm just so excited to share this with you today. They use some very basic ingredients that I'm sure you have in your kitchen right now. So after you watch this video, you can go and make them yourself. They're very easy to make, kid friendly. I mean, kids would just have a blast making these, and kids love pancakes, and they're gonna love these fluffy pancakes. They're also known as like souffle pancakes. They're very similar. So let me go over the ingredients with you and walk you through step by step and how to make these delicious Japanese pancakes. So you will need 2 eggs, and you're going to want to separate your eggs, meaning you'll separate the white from the yolk. And then you'll need 4 teaspoons of milk, a half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of flour, and then a pinch of salt. Now this will go into your yolks. And then in your whites, you will add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar and 6 teaspoons of sugar. So to my egg yolks, I'm going to add my milk and my vanilla extract. And then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to take my flour and sift. So to my egg whites, I'm going to add the cream of tartar. And then I'm going to begin to add the sugar just a little bit at a time. And you are looking for nice stiff peaks. All right, so next I'm going to take my egg whites and I'm going to fold them into my egg and flour mixture. Now I want to do this gently because we don't want to deflate those egg whites. That's what makes the fluffy pancake. All right, so I'm going to actually pour the rest of this batter in my egg whites. All right. And gently fold and mix all of this together. All right, so my batter is all done. Now, I am going to put it into a piping bag, but you can put it into a Ziploc bag or you could just scoop it right onto your skillet. I just think this is easier. If you don't have a piping bag, like I said, you can just use a Ziploc bag. But I'm gonna place my piping bag into a cup, fold the edges down, and then fill it with my batter. So to a large skillet, I'm going to lightly spray with some nonstick spray. And then I'm just going to pipe these pancakes into my skillet. giving them plenty of space between them. And my heat is on a medium-low heat. So you want to cook these on a low heat. I'm going to take a little bit of water and just pour right on the sides. This will create a little bit of steam. And I'm going to cover them and let them cook for a couple minutes. Let's see if I can get this last one. All right, I'm going to add a little bit more water. And cover it back up for another couple more minutes. Okay guys, so I just want to give you a heads up. Flipping these pancakes can be a bit of a challenge. So don't be discouraged if they don't come out just perfect. It took me several attempts to get them to look just right. I'm just saying. I'm so glad that I found these pancakes. So good, so light and fluffy. You just have to give them a try. That's all I can say. I always have to drink coffee with my pancakes. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And a very special thank you to two girls, Olivia and Emma. They watch my videos every day, and that means the world to me. So have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.